How to exit game in Project Jazz. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Project Jazz and want to close the game, as you can see, my game is stuck in this situation for a very long time now, and I'm looking for a fix. So if you ever run into this kind of a situation, then you can simply go ahead and swipe towards the right from the left corner of your screen, and then you'll open up this menu. From here, simply go to the game option at the top right, tap on it, and in the options tab, click on exit to main menu, and you'll be able to exit the ongoing game that has been stuck, or you can repeat this step whenever you want to exit the game in the middle. So that's how you easily exit the game in Project Jazz. Now you can start over or continue your saved progress so that you can play the game again. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.